The Enlighten series from SiliconCore is our first COB line. We've been working on COB for a long time, since about 2016. We were actually the first ones to be working on this in dvLED technology. It took us a long time to get here because we had to get it right. And so most COB that's out there really has a lot of uniformity issues, a lot of color shift issues. They don't go very bright. The way that we were able to accomplish what we accomplished is we have our own driver technology, our common cathode IQ, brand new driver for us that we engineered. We also have an encapsulation that is different than everybody else. So most people do a GOB process. We have a proprietary LISA process that we put a black layer down and then a clear coat on top of that. GOB process, you put a black layer on top of the LED, so that diminishes the brightness. It also increases the power. So we're able to achieve ultra low power and really high bit depth with our common cathode IQ technology along with our ZAC technology. And so with those two together, we get 1200 nits of brightness, we get extremely uniform picture, great bit depth, and fantastic image. So we have two versions of this product. We have a 0.93 COB and we also have a 1.2 COB. Both fantastic, both shipping now, incredible image.